What's going on YouTube? This is TechnicallyTee, and today I'm bringing you a review of the OTAO tempered glass screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. I know a lot of you guys probably have seen plenty of these tempered glass screen protector reviews, but this one is their updated version. Don't get it twisted. This is the updated version, and when I say updated version, that's because it basically is like the Whitestone Dome. With this one has a UV light and it has glue that you can put on the screen to apply the screen protector. We're gonna go ahead and do a live installation of the S9 Plus's version to let you know what it's like and let you know if it's worth the buy. But not only will I be reviewing the one that's on my S9, but they actually sent me 4 more for the S9 Plus and 5 for the S9. Now we're going to be giving all of these away because I can't do anything with them. So we're going to be giving all these away. So stay tuned to the end of the video to basically know how you can enter for these giveaways, because you know it's going to be something simple. Let's flip this camera around, go ahead and get to the installation, and let's see if it's even worth buying. So here we go. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into the install. Now I am doing this behind camera, so hopefully I can pull the install off good. And hopefully I don't botch this install, because I hate installing screen protectors while it's on camera because I feel like I'm gonna botch the install. But here it is inside. As you see, screen protector accessories, you get 1, you get 2. You do get your cleaning cloth there. You get your 2 curved screen protectors here. You get your glue, which is right here. You get your glue, and you get your UV light. So let's set all this to the side. We get a little thank you note from Amazon. And basically this is the installation menu. So let's actually look at this real quick, because I don't want to mess this install up. So you see, you clean it off, remove the white cover for the tube. You know, you cut a small hole in it so that it can expose the glue. Rotate the small cap, as you see, kind of just like the Whitestone where you got to rotate that cap. So cool, I get that. Peel off the mask with the screen protector. Place the screen protector slowly, and the glue will spread evenly over. Okay, so you got to do it in a line. You got to put the glue actually in a line and not like in that circle like the Whitestone Dome. So boom, boom, boom. All right, I think I got it. So let's go ahead and try. If I mess it up, you already know what it is. Let's go ahead and bring the S9 over here at first. So first things first, let's go ahead and wipe it off with this microfiber cloth. Let's go ahead and tear in here, see what we have in here. So we basically have another microfiber cloth. We basically have the dust removal sticker, which is always good. And we do get some wet cleaning wipe. So let's go ahead and hit it with the wet cleaning wipe real quick. Let's get this wipe open. If I can get it open, but whatever. So let's go ahead and wipe it down with this wet wipe here. And like I said, hopefully I can get a good application for you guys, man, because I don't like, you know, I'm trying to replicate it just like you will be installing it. You know, just like somebody at home will be installing it. I don't want to do a video with the thing already installed or, you know, whatever like that. So I'm going to try my best to not have any dust up here when I do this install. So let me take a look at it real quick. Make sure I don't have any dust anywhere. I'm not going to get too detailed because I might end up taking it off. I don't know. So I'm not going to be too detailed or too careful about it for the most part. But I think we're good for the most part there. So next up, let's take this white cap off the glue here. All right. So right here, you see you need to cut it. So let's bring the scissors over here. No telling where that top just flew, but I'll pick it up later on. And actually, we got some dust on the screen, but it's all good. We're going to place this in a line on the actual. So just do a line of glue. I don't know what you guys are thinking about. So let's just hit it with that line of glue. All right. Boom. So as you see here, it's basically a line. I'm not sure how good you can see, but let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. So as you see, this basically a line of glue right there. So next, let's go ahead and grab this screen protector. As you can see here, let me see if I can zoom back out now. There we go. So let's peel this off. All right, and I like going from the top. I'm just my type of time. So let's go and let's actually see if we can pop it down and install. Now this is kind of hard because you're not sure where the lines are. So you put it down where you think is right and let the glue do its thing. All right, so as you see, the glue is starting to run. You might want to help it, guide it along, press it along, kind of let gravity do its thing at the bottom. So it's real slippery still. So I'm going to try to leave it here because I see it's moving and doing a bunch of stuff. So let it sit for a minute. Now you see there's glue running all down the side. It's not actually too bad. I can wipe it off my desk, but just trying to find out if it will actually stick and stay. So there it is on it. Now it feels like it's real wet, like you can still move around a bunch, but there is no bubbles. And let me just take a look at it. Place the glue spray even across the screen. Never use finger to press on the screen. Have to place the screen protector. Move all plastic film. Use the UV light to dry the glue. We suggest one place per 35 seconds. So it's basically applied. So let's go ahead. Let me see if I can wipe some of this glue off because I do not want this glue to stick on my desk. So let's go ahead and get the UV protector light. So here it is. You pull that little tab and it exposes that light. So let's do one area, 35 seconds. So we're going to go ahead and speed this up so you don't have to sit through this. Okay, so the time is up. I basically did that for a good bit. Now there is a good amount of glue leaking out on the edges. So it actually already dried up. So as you see here, you can kind of, hopefully I can peel it up. So you kind of peeled it up right there. The little bit of dried glue there is. Let's take that wet wipe if I can find it. And let's see if I can hit it with the wet wipe to get majority of that off. Because it's all on the back of my phone. The glue made a mess, man. But like I said, I'm doing this install live so you guys can know exactly what you'll go through when you do the installation. So I don't want any surprises for you guys just as much as it surprised me. But I'm going to tell you right now, you know, once you clean all the glue up and everything, I think you're going to have a solid protector here because it feels just like the Whitestone Dome. It looks just like the Whitestone Dome. I have a little bubble down here, but it's not a deal breaker. Like I said, this is basically a quick install. So let me go ahead and get this thing all wiped off and I'll come right back. So I finally got everything cleaned up and installed with this screen protector. And as you can see, it actually did an excellent job installing it. Basically, I only have two imperfections, and that's a little dot right there and a little bubble right there. But you never know, that may go away over time. And you know, this screen protector was just installed, so it may end up drying and going away. But for the price point of under 20 bucks, you really can't beat the quality of this screen protector. Let me wipe some of these fingerprints off, but you really can't beat it because the Whitestone Dome is 50 bucks and you're basically almost getting the same quality. And I'm also going to do, you know, a month or a 2-month review follow-up of this screen protector to see how it does long term. Now, to talk about some of the things that I don't like about the screen protector, and it's not so much what I don't like, it's just something that they can improve, not with the product itself. The screen protector itself is absolutely fine, but a little bit about the tools that come with this screen protector. As you know, the UV light comes like this from out of the box. And basically what you have is a little pull tab and the UV light activates. Now, say for an example, you do this, install your screen protector, and say you throw this little bitty tab away. If you throw this little bitty tab away, there's no way you can really get this UV light to cut off. Now, I started recording the video. To make a funny thing, I started recording the second part of this video thinking that I was going to slam this thing and say, hey, there's no way to turn it off. But you have to keep this little plastic tab to stick back in here. And once you stick it back in there, the UV lights basically turn off. Now, who will actually know that? Because I don't think that's in the instructions unless I didn't read it. But if you're like me, you're going to pull this out, install your screen protector, you know, clean all your plastic up and everything like that. And you're not going to keep this little bitty tab. But as you see, when you insert it, it actually cuts it off. So if you're going to be using the screen protector, make sure you keep this little plastic tab included with the UV light, because if you take it out, you throw it away, you won't have a chance to reuse this UV light. So that's one thing that I found that was pretty interesting while installing it. The next thing is, I wish they had a frame to install it with. Now, I'm not saying you have to give a big cumbersome frame like the Whitestone Dome, but give me a little guide so I can follow to install this screen protector, because once you put it down, you're basically moving it around with the glue. And if me personally, I don't really want to move the glue around because I'm scared I might get a bubble underneath. But you basically have to move the screen protector around to find that perfect placement. And when you do, you clean up the edges with the glue. And this installation is a very messy installation when it comes to the glue. So you clean all the glue up, and then you use your UV light to go ahead and cure it and go all around. And then you have, you know, a good centered screen protector. But it will be a lot easier if they included a frame to lay the screen protector down, to guide it, so you really don't have to worry about, you know, having to misaligned or anything like that. But besides those two little issues with the screen protector, this is a very solid choice, and this will be in direct competition to the Whitestone Dome, where we're talking about these UV light liquid dispersion type of screen protectors. Like I said in the very beginning of the video, they actually sent me a ton for the S9 and the S9 Plus. Now I have more over here in the box below. This is just a few of them, but I have 5 for the Galaxy S9 and I have 4 for the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Now the way to get in on this giveaway is basically comment below. Just comment below saying that, hey, I have an S9, hey, I have an S9 Plus, and I'm going to just pick people randomly in the comment section, and I'm going to mail these to you. We'll link up offline via email, social media, however you want to contact me. Send me a DM or anything like that, and I will link up offline, and I will put these in the mail and ship these to you directly using my own money, just straight up shipping you guys free of charge, and you can get a chance to try this 2-pack screen protector for basically free. So once again, if you didn't catch that, I am doing a giveaway of these screen protectors. I have 4 for the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, 5 for the S9. All you simply have to do is comment below S9 or S9 Plus. Let me know which device you have. Link with you on social media. I'll pick the winners at random, and I'll probably let this run for about a week and a half to 2 weeks, so it gives enough people to give a chance to watch the video, and then I will reply to your comment. And if I reply to it, we'll link up, and we'll see how you want to contact me via social media. I'll probably tell you to contact me via social media on IG or Twitter. Let me know your YouTube name, and we'll go from there. But if you like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up. Very nice screen protector overall from OTAO. Good Whitestone Dome alternative, because I know a lot of people don't want to spend that $50 price point, and I don't blame you. But you can get basically the same quality for under 20 bucks right here. So I will drop the link to both the S9 and the S9 Plus version down in the description below. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it, guys. Comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Later.